Woodworking is not easy. I'm making some trapezoid isosceles legs for my Nelson-style bench here, and it did not go to plan. The professionals make it look real easy. Watch till the end and see what happens to me. What all the calculations are. So this is what I was doing when I should have been at work today. Well, no, I was at work, but trying to figure out what the pieces look like. So this is what I got to try and create. There's my angle there, 81.55. What I'm interested to see is what this does. Okay. Right. Oh, you have to do that one the opposite. Ah, okay. So that's interesting. So that's why you do these things, you practice. So I knew that as well. I'd written that on the diagram here, that they go different ways. Yeah. So that is dumb, but it doesn't matter because I'm only playing around. So there we have it. So if I did another one that same size, which I will do, then, and I think that's going to work. I think. Let me see, that's shorter than that one. Oh no, damn. I've actually done it completely the wrong way around. These are supposed to be sitting like that. Oh, I'm such an idiot. I need those to go like that. But they go opposite. Oh. Who said woodworking doesn't involve maths and geometry? And these look like they go the same. Those are opposite. These are the same. Okay. So there is the base for the legs, prototype legs for this thing, that one, the Nelson bench, which is pretty cool.